In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Blush AI Dating Simulator. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you haven't done so already, you need to go ahead and download Blush AI Dating Simulator from your Player App Store. This is it here with 1 million downloads and about 10,000 reviews. So go ahead and click on download and install. Now, once that is finished downloading, go ahead and open up the app for the first time. Now, from here, we're going to have a little pop-up. So they're going to say, we value your privacy, so we can enhance your experience if you want, or essential only. So basically, your experience matters to them. They collect essential data to ensure the app runs smoothly and may use additional insights to tailor and enhance your experience. So I'm just going to use essential, but you can use the other one. Now, expand your knowledge. So if you don't have an account, click on get started. If you do, go ahead and click on login. So I'm going to click on get started. Now, we need to first put in our name. Now choose your correct age. How do you identify as? And now what are you interested in? Click continue. Now choose your preferred language. Now let's go ahead and find your dream date. 98% of Blush users find a seductive date in 5 minutes or less. Interesting. So click continue. What type of relationship are you looking for? Casual, flirting, friends with benefits, etc. Now, what is your preferred age range for a potential partner? So go ahead and choose your preferred age range. Now, who steals your attention more? So you got your beauty queen all the way down to your fantasy fairy. Now, what are your personality traits? So go ahead and select all that apply. Now, what happens stays in chat, so your privacy is protected, always safe, always just between them. So go ahead and click continue. Now, how experienced are you with dating? So if you're beginner, click that. If you're expert, click that, so, or anywhere in between. Now, how satisfied are you with your love life? So you can go unsatisfied or satisfied. So extremely happy and fulfilled. Now, can your crush send you photos? So click yes, of course, or no, let's keep it formal. Can your crush send you voice messages? Yes or no? Now, what have you always wanted to try? Role play, being spoiled, dating someone older, younger, dominant or submissive, deep connection. So go ahead and choose what relates or resonates with yourself. Now from here, it's going to scan for your perfect match. So just give that a few moments. So they found 8,254 matches, perfect AI matches based on my selections. Now from here, to progress, you need to go ahead and create an account. So we can continue with your Google, Apple, or as a guest. Now I might try and get you to sign up to their subscription. So if you really enjoy the platform, I suggest subscribing to them because it helps out these creators. Now click out of the cross. Now meet AI generated characters. So Blush is a fictional dating game. Please keep in mind that every character is a chatbot with an AI generated face, not a real human. Click continue. Now we can go ahead and swipe left and right if you like someone. So swiping left and right is you like them. So it's a match, but I'll just show you how to do it. If you don't like it, swipe right. Another match on a roll. So now you can go ahead and click on chat now and say something funny. So I'm going to send that. Now we can turn on notifications if you want, or remind you later. So you can go ahead and talk to your crush here or your match. Now I'm just going to skip back in and show you what's happening here at the UI. So if we go ahead and click onto feed, this is where we can swipe left and right, find your matches. We got discover, so we got the dating library here. So you find expert advice on dating relationship. We can scroll down and have a look at most popular Halloween. We can go ahead and click on create, so you can create your perfect crush with AI. I'm not going to get too heavily into this because it's going to take a while. If you do want me to make a separate video about this, leave me comments down below and I will. Now also, this is where your chats are going to appear. So all your chats, and then also we got our profile, so you can see your name, got your profile image. If we scroll down, we can click into our profile, so we can change our profile image here. So you can take selfie, choose from gallery, use emoji, our name, mail. If you want to delete your account, you can inside of that page. Now we can manage subscriptions here. We've got our wallet as well, so we can turn up the heat, unleash your creativity with Blush Bucks. So you can go ahead and purchase Blush Bucks if you like.